Want to slim down fast without extreme dieting or exercise? You won't believe the simple step that can lead to dramatic weight loss. Read on to find out how making one small change can have a huge impact on your health and waistline. Losing weight and keeping it off can seem daunting. Strict diets that deprive you of your favorite foods are difficult to sustain over time. And sweating it out at the gym for hours each day isn't realistic for most busy schedules. But did you know that making one simple adjustment to your daily routine could set you on the path towards significant weight loss, without all the restrictions and requirements of traditional diets? It's true. By making one small change, you can start dropping pounds almost immediately. And over time, the weight will continue to come off at a healthy, sustainable rate of 1–2 pounds per week. Even better, you don't have to give up the foods you love or carve out huge chunks of time for exercise. So what's the secret? Read on to find out. Tip number 1. Trade soda for water. Cutting out sugary sodas and replacing them with water is one of the easiest and most effective ways to start losing weight fast. Just one 12-ounce can of soda contains around 10 teaspoons of sugar and 150 calories. That may not seem like much, but drinking just one per day adds up to over 50,000 calories per year. By switching to water, you automatically cut out hundreds of empty calories each day. And drinking more water has added weight loss benefits. It helps fill you up so you eat less, boosts your metabolism, and flushes out toxins. To make the transition easier, try sparkling waters or add lemon, mint, or other natural flavors. Carry a refillable water bottle so you always have water on hand. Your taste buds will adjust to the lack of sweetness surprisingly quickly. Tip number 2. Eat more slowly and mindfully. Wolfing down meals and snacks too quickly can lead to overeating and weight gain. When you eat faster, your brain doesn't have time to process feelings of fullness. The result is that you end up consuming more calories than needed because you don't recognize you're full until it's too late. Practicing mindful eating habits allows you to tune into your body's satiety signals. Simple tricks like chewing each bite thoroughly, setting down your fork between bites, and avoiding distractions help you slow down and listen to your body. Other mindful eating tips include serving food onto a plate rather than eating straight from the package, putting down your eating utensil between bites, drinking water with meals, avoiding eating while standing up, eliminating distractions like TV or phones during meals. Slowing down doesn't just help you eat less. It also allows you to savor and enjoy your food more. You'll find you feel just as satisfied while consuming fewer calories. Tip number 3. Walk after meals. Going for short, brisk walks after eating helps kick your metabolism into high gear. The boost in physical activity causes your body to burn calories more efficiently after mealtime. Aim for 10–15 minutes of walking at a moderate pace after breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Getting into this habit just 3 times per day results in an extra 30–45 minutes of calorie burning. Walking is also a great way to aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and give you an energy boost. Taking brief post-meal strolls can become a natural part of your daily routine. And getting in more daily movement contributes to weight loss as well as other health benefits. Tip number 4. Prioritize protein at breakfast. Starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast helps control hunger cravings later in the day. Protein is the most filling macronutrient, keeping you satisfied for longer. Good options for high-protein breakfasts include eggs or omelets, Greek yogurt parfaits, nut butter on whole grain toast, oatmeal or overnight oats with nuts and seeds, cottage cheese balls with fruit, protein smoothies or shakes. Aim for at least 15–20 grams of protein. Adding healthy fats from foods like avocado, nut butter, and olive oil also boosts satiety. By fueling up first thing in the morning, you'll find it easier to make healthy choices and avoid impulsive snacking on empty calories from vending machines or food courts later in the day. Tip number 5. Measure portions and calories. Eyeballing serving sizes often leads to overeating. Using measuring cups and spoons for grains, protein foods, oils, and other calorie-dense items keeps portions under control. Reading labels to know exactly how many calories you're consuming is also key. Apps like MyFitnessPal make tracking calories a breeze. Simply scan barcodes or enter foods to get nutritional info. Measuring and tracking help you learn proper portion sizes and be more aware of how many calories you're actually consuming. This knowledge empowers you to make better choices and recognize where excess calories might be sneaking into your diet. Tip number 6. Stock up on healthy snacks. Hunger and cravings are bound to strike between meals. Having healthy snacks on hand helps prevent you from reaching for the first tempting treat you see. Keep your kitchen, office desk, and bag stocked with options like fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, low-fat string cheese, whole grain crackers, hummus, air-popped popcorn, protein bars or shakes. Take snacks with you when on the go so you always have something to curb hunger pangs. Having nutritious options within arm's reach makes saying no to vending machine temptations easier. Tip number 7. Get 7-8 hours of sleep. Not getting enough Z's hampers weight loss efforts. Ongoing sleep deprivation slows metabolism, drives cravings for unhealthy foods, and increases appetite. Aim for 7-8 hours per night. Having a consistent bedtime and pre-bed routine sets you up for better sleep. Limiting screen time and avoiding caffeine in the evenings makes it easier to wind down. Getting sufficient deep, restful sleep optimizes fat burning. And when you're well rested, you'll have more energy to be active and make healthy choices during your waking hours. Tip number 8. Reduce added sugar. The sweet stuff is abundant in processed foods, condiments, baked goods, coffee drinks and candy. Cutting way back on unnecessary added sugar is one of the most effective steps for weight loss. Stick to the natural sugars found in whole foods like fruits and dairy. Read labels closely to spot where surprising sources of added sugars hide. Making this one change significantly decreases daily calorie intake while still allowing room for special treats on occasion. As an added bonus, you'll have more energy, better moods, and glowing skin. Tip number 9. Fill up on fiber. Fiber slows digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes feelings of fullness and satiety. But most people don't get nearly enough daily fiber. Making an effort to eat more high-fiber foods makes losing weight much easier. Great sources include beans, lentils, and peas, nuts and seeds, whole grains, fruits and vegetables with the skin on, oatmeal and bran cereals. Fiber also supports heart health, digestion, gut health, and more. Aim for 25-30 grams per day through food sources. Consider a supplement if needed. Tip number 10. Spice up your cooking. Adding flavorful herbs, spices, and hot peppers provide a flavor boost so you can cut back on fat, salt, and sugar. Garlic, onions, ginger, black pepper, cayenne, cinnamon, turmeric, cumin, and parsley are just a few options. Experiment with using more herbs and spices when cooking meat, veggies, soups, oatmeal, and other dishes. This satisfies your palate so you don't feel deprived eating lower calorie foods. Spicy additions like chili peppers may also give your metabolism a kick. Feel free to sprinkle on some zing so you look forward to eating healthfully flavored whole foods. Small steps really do lead to big results when it comes to losing weight and boosting overall health. Just making a few simple substitutions and getting into new daily habits puts you on the path toward a slimmer, healthier you. The best part is you don't have to overhaul your entire life or succumb to a restrictive diet. Little changes that become routine lead to steady progress and sustainable weight loss over time. So drink more water, walk after meals, load up at breakfast, and try some of the other tips suggested here. Before you know it, the pounds will start coming off and you'll feel lighter and more energetic. When you focus on creating healthy rituals, you set yourself up for long-term weight loss success. And all it takes is implementing one or two of these simple suggestions at a time. The cumulative effect is powerful and will inspire you to keep going. So believe it, with one small step, you're on your way. What change are you ready to make today? For more weight loss tips and healthy recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Let me know in the comments which small change you're going to try first. And don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Let's support each other on our journeys toward feeling healthy and strong in our bodies.